If I could only give you 5 questions to ask to be a good coach, here are the 5 questions. The first question is, what's working? It's always important, even if it's an area they're struggling with, to have them identify, well, what is working? And they can celebrate that. And you unpack that real fully, which helps them to gain some confidence, some enthusiasm, which leads very nicely into the next question, which is, what's not working? And now they can start to identify those issues that may not be working as well as they'd like, or places where they're struggling or obstacles that they're facing. And then the third question is very critical. What are you learning? This is where they can reflect upon both the positives and the negatives and to generate some wisdom and some insight. And so it'll be fascinating as they begin to wrestle with that, to what insights can they gain by reflecting upon their experience. Which then leads very naturally to the fourth question, which is, what needs to change? And now that helps you to identify the coaching focus for that conversation, to be able to help them to then wrestle with that item, the thing that needs to change. And then that leads very naturally to the fifth and final question, is what are the next steps? And so you're again helping them move from reflection to action. And so those 5 questions would be very powerful to use in a variety of settings. If you wanted to evaluate, for instance, an event that just had happened. Well, what worked? What didn't work? What did you learn? What needs to change? And what's next for the next time you do it? And so it's a very powerful set of questions you can use in a variety of settings, not just coaching relationships.